Make a great choice today with the 2017 INFINITI QX80. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.